Hello beaders, Jerry here. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Please consider liking this video, commenting, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you will be notified of all my weekly uploads. And today we are going to be making a beaded wristlet keychain. I do have a customer that had ordered 2 of these and I already made one, and I will show you that in a little while. So that's what we're going to make. So the items that you're going to need are your silicone beads. I'm going to use this silicone flower bead for a focal bead. And then I do have 2 of these little sparkly beads. And then I have a tassel and my keychain ring. And then also we're going to need a jump ring. And this is the cord that I'm going to use. It's stretchy, kind of a nylon, maybe. I'm going to use this medium one. And then also you will need your scissors and your pliers, because we're going to attach the jump ring. And then I just wanted to show you, this is the pack of tassels that I got. So it came with all these, and I'm pretty sure this came from Amazon, but everything that I use will be linked in the description. And then also my pack of jump rings. Okay, I think that's all. I hope everybody, did you guys have a great holiday? Mine was good. It was busy. Now this cord, I'm using this because, hold on, this is the thinnest one. Okay. Let me see where this is. Here we go. Yeah, I'm going to use this medium. Yes, okay, this medium one. I'm using this cord because it's a little bit thicker and heavier. I figure since you're going to, put keys on here, then you want a thicker cord, so you don't want the weight of the key to break the keychain. And I find these keychains very practical. I have 2 of them. I have one for my personal car, and then I am a delivery driver, so I have one for my work car. And it's just very helpful because I could put my key on my wrist, and if I have things that I'm carrying, I don't have to worry about where my key is. And it's just always on my arm when I'm just in and out of the car going into facilities. So I just know my key is always on my wrist instead of having to dig it out of my pocket. And plus it's cute. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by just stringing the beads on. I'm going to use this lighter to burn the end of the cord, just to keep the string from fraying, to make it a little bit easier to string the beads. I'm going to attach the tassel to the jump ring and attach the jump ring to the key ring. Okay, now when you tie this, you're going to tie it in a knot and then pull this cord some, because you want to take some of the tension out of it, because you don't want it so loose to where it's going to droop down on your arm, because like I said, with the weight of the key, it's going to, make it a little bit heavier. And then also you don't want the wristlet to fall off your arm. I think that's good. Then you're just going to tie it in a knot, pull it good. Okay, now you can pull the bead over the knot, and there you have it. So we got our two little sparkly beads right there. Now the other one that I made that is going to the customer was this one. Now these beads are not silicone. This is probably more like a resin. And I bought these beads from Hobby Lobby in a pack like this. It came in this kind of a pack. So then when I ship it to the customer, I'm going to put it in one of these cute organza bags. And then I also have my business card in there. That, close it up, and then And then I'm going to stick it in a padded envelope and ship them. I hope you guys liked this video, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all have a happy new year, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.